What you're about to hear isn't meant to give you easy answers or reinforce your existing ideas about relationships. Its purpose is much deeper, to invite you to observe love, trust, and commitment from a perspective you may never have considered. If you're still here, you've already done something many people avoid. Facing an uncomfortable truth requires more courage than ignoring it. It's much easier to get distracted than to question your own beliefs. However, true growth begins precisely when we stop running away from those difficult questions. In this reflection, you won't find formulas for winning someone over, manipulation techniques, or strategies for getting someone's attention. We're going to talk about the value of maintaining dignity, respecting yourself, and understanding that loving doesn't mean losing your own identity. Perhaps some ideas will stir up memories you thought you'd overcome. Perhaps moments you'd rather leave behind will resurface. But looking at the past with a new understanding doesn't mean reliving the pain, but rather transforming it into a lesson capable of strengthening your character. There's a truth many people discover too late. Love alone doesn't guarantee a lasting relationship. Promises can change, feelings can transform, and not everyone values the effort, honesty, and loyalty they receive. The story you're about to hear is inspired by experiences that are more common than we imagine. Men who gave their all, who endured suffering in silence, and who moved forward while trying to rebuild themselves from within. For too long, they were led to believe that showing emotions was a sign of weakness, when in reality, acknowledging them is the first step to regaining strength. Today, we'll look at that reality from a different angle. Before continuing, take a few seconds and silently repeat, I am willing to see reality as it is. It doesn't matter if you're in a relationship, married, or still waiting to meet the right person. There's one quality worth far more than looks, money, or social recognition: loyalty. Loyalty isn't demonstrated when everyone is watching. It's revealed in the decisions you make when no one can judge you. It's a reflection of your principles and the respect you have for yourself. But there's a question that many people face sooner or later. What happens when you give that loyalty to someone who never learned to value it in the same way? Before moving on, I want to share a brief reflection. Every day, thousands of abandoned animals survive, waiting for a little food, water, or simply a safe place to rest. You don't have to be rich to make a difference in another being's life. Sometimes, a small gesture of compassion speaks volumes about a person's character, more than any speech. Now, let's travel back several decades. In the late 1940s, in the city of Chicago, lived a man named David. He was 34 years old and led a simple life. He wasn't known for his wealth or social standing. What truly distinguished him was his honesty, his discipline, and his unwavering commitment to always keeping his word. That same year, he met a woman who would change the course of his life. From the very first moment, he believed he had found the person with whom he would share his future. She spoke to him of plans, shared dreams, and a life built together, making him believe that nothing could ever tear them apart. David trusted those words completely. Like so many other men, he built his hopes on the promises he heard. However, time has a silent way of revealing what words cannot sustain, because declarations can stir emotions, but it is actions that ultimately reveal the truth.